Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna learn how to change your Spotify account password. For some reason, Spotify application doesn't have change password option. So you have to use any browser in order to change the Spotify account password. First of all, go to any browser. Now search for Spotify password change. On the result, you can see Spotify password change. Tap on it. The link will be in the description below. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the change password page. So now, enter your current password and new password, then tap on update password. After successfully updating your password, you can see the password updated message on the top, and that is all. You have successfully updated your Spotify password. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if the video helped you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar videos.